Today we are playing tower. Whoever win first gonna get rat reward. Yeah, this is not good. Let's go to bro. Hi Cap. Hello bro. Let's go secret level 5. Bro is winning already. Nah bro. Let's go. Nah, I'm lagging. Chill bro. This is not so serious. Why are you so fast? Bro is a helicopter. I'm just a rat. Let's go. Bro, why are you so far already? This is not good. Let's go. Please let me win, bro. Where is he? Bro's already far. Don't troll me, bro. Please. Let me win this, bro. Yeah, bro is already far. Where is he? He's gone now, bro. Let's go. Let's go up here. I'm not good at Abby. He's so good. Oh, I almost fell right there. So let's climb here. Let's go here. Let's jump on the balls. Yeah. Oh my god, I almost fell. Let's climb this. This is a word. The floor is disappearing. No. Let's go. Please bro, let me win. Your helicopter, I'm just a rat. Come on, bro. So let's climb here. Where is he now? But he fall, bro, he fell, bro, he fall, aha. Use. I don't know. But let's go. I'm winning for now. Yeah, bro, I'm winning. Oh, I fell. Yeah, but I still winning. Let's go. I keep saying let's go, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm here again. Let's go. I'm just alright. Let's go. Oh, it's so high. I'm not in. Never mind. Let's climb here. I'm so nervous, guys. Okay, let's do this seriously. I wanna win this. Okay, jump. Okay, just climb here. It's so easy. Let's go. Bro, just fell again. Oh my. Bruce is bad at everything. Not gonna lie, I'm winning right now. This is pretty easy. Okay, let's climb here. Jump, climb. Yeah, we are winning. Alright. This is easy than the other game, Abby, bro. This is the punk Abby, by the way, guys. I mute the punk that. Oh my fell 2 times is never mind. Bro, I fell again. No way. I'm just a rat, bro. A rat playing OB. Again, I just fell again. Oh, bro, his helicopter is not moving. Haha. I'm still winning, by the way. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna use admin command. Okay, I'm gonna use unused rat dance and squash secret. And I'm not. Let's go squash. And I spell it wrong, of course. I'm so bad at everything, bro. Okay, squash sec. Oh my god, it's so small. He fell. He's mad at me. Okay, I'm gonna do squash also. Oh wait, I forgot. I put secret. I forgot. Okay, squash only. And I'm gonna be a small tiny guy. Yeah, I'm so fat but I'm so small. That's kinda in real life, not gonna lie. Yeah, never mind. Okay, let's go here. Jump. Bro is far from me. It's not gonna catch up. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna play a little bit.